how I organize my desk or study space. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to share how I organize my desk home, my desk or study space at home, because I believe having a comfortable and tidy area makes studying much easier and more enjoyable. When my space is messy, it's hard for me to concentrate. That's why I try to keep it clean and with only the things I really need. Uh, you don't need a perfect desk or lots of materials, but I like my environment to uh, multi motivate me to study. First, I clean the desk and remove everything I don't need. Uh, I put away things I'm not using, like old papers, empty cups, or anything uh, uh, distracting. I keep only the essentials. Second, I organize the materials I use often. For example, I keep my vocabulary notebook, a pencil or pen, my notebook, of course, my phone or computer, uh, where I access the dictionary videos or text in English. Third, I use a lamp or sit near a window. Natural light help me concentrate. And if I study at night, I use a lamp that's not too uh, bright, but strong enough to read and write comfortably. Uh, Fourth, if I need to focus more, I use headphones. I play soft music, relaxing sounds, or even English audios that help me practice while I write or read. Fifth, I sometimes add something personal that inspires me, like a small plant, a motivational quote, or a photo that gives me good energy and reminds me why I'm learning. Having an organized study space doesn't mean it has to be perfect, but it should work for you. It should help you focus, feel comfortable, and stay motivated every day. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what your study space looks like. See you in the next one.